anything you'd like to see your character explore, whether it's an era in the next?
I think for all of our characters, I think anytime we get back into these guys, what's made them who they are, how their individual stories of how they've come to Pan Am, how they've come to, it just helps connect the audience a little more to what we're doing and the current stories that are happening. So I think anytime we get to go back to that stuff, I'd love to see some more of that, and there will be. So.